Greetings to our people. Greetings to our people within South Africa, our members across South Africa. I greet you all in the name of His Majesty. I says, you know. So yeah, mense, I just wanted to bring something across, man. Yesterday when we were looking at Parliament, we could see what was happening there. So yesterday, the Honorable Fadil Adams, you know, he brought a motion forward in Parliament, and that motion was for the national government to investigate, you know, with regards to the provincial government, you know, and with the city of Cape Town and Machikama and all the municipalities to see what is really going on, you know, within the Western Cape. Why is it that the Western Cape has a backlog of over 600,000 people that's on the waiting list? Dan Daisy Ali, when you go into the colored areas, you find there's mamas and papas that is on the waiting list for more than 30 years, 40 years. We want to know most from the DA what happened to the housing list, the waiting list from just so past 1994 and then before 1994. What happened to that list? Where is that list? Why is it that when people go there, people that's on the waiting list since 1980 something, 85, when they go there, their names is not on there. Then they must put their names on again. And even 2000 of. We want national government to investigate what's up. Why do we have this backlog? Why is it that the provincial government is all the time sending money back? Why is it that the city of Cape Town can't deliver on any of these things that they're supposed to deliver, and they get the money from national? Let it be said. Let it be known. So, the Honorable Fadil Adams even asked them about Blikkiesdorp. They must investigate Blikkiesdorp. That people were supposed to be there just for months. That people is there for over 20 years. Helen Zille's project. You know what? Hey! Vir ons brein mense wat daar buite is, wat nog vir die DA vote, vir die wat nog saam met DA is, hy colored DA councillors, hy colored DA MPLs en MPs en is hartseer vir wat julle doen aan ons mense. Ja, daai is hartseer. Regtig? Ja. Doen julle dit net vir 'n paycheck? As julle so freaking desperate vir 'n paycheck? Laat julle 'n hele nation suffer. Ons 'n hele nasie suffer. Almal kyk hoe sit ons mense. Dis homelessness. Kyk ha, ons mense sit op die patte. Ons mense bly in hokke. Ons mense kry nie huise nie. Yo, beloved DA, het hy motion afgeskiet gister binne in Parliament. Hulle skiet hy motion af. Ja, Mr. Adams is die enigste een wat hy motion vorentoe gebring het. Hulle skiet hy motion af. Wat sê hy vir julle van die DA? Wat sê hy vir julle? Houd op aan Parliament, houd op. Julle wat so sê, DA, hou by die blou. Kyk of daar een colored minister is daar een colored deputy minister. In die Western Cape, is daar nog colored mayors? Of is dit alles net wit? Julle moet julle oë oopmaak, asseblief tog man. Ja, regtig. Ons kan die fight wen, as julle saam met ons staan. As julle die DA los, as julle wegdryf van die DA af, en realize, die mense is hier vir ons mense nie. Die mense is hier om te secure hulle futures 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 jaar van nou af. They don't care about the Cape Flats. I'm asking my people, please, maak julle oë oop, skrik wakker, asseblief, voordat dit te laat is. Give thanks, one love.